In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Slides presentation and explore some creative ideas to bring your slides to life. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Slides. To do this, open your web browser and type in Google Slides. Alternatively, you can visit docsgoogle.com presentation directly. If you're redirected to the sign-in page, don't worry. This is because Google wants to ensure you have access to personalize your slides with your Google account, which is our next step. Once you're on the Google Slides page, sign into your Google account if you aren't already. This allows you to save your work automatically and access it from anywhere, whether it's on a different device or at a later time. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. It's a simple process, and having an account offers a versatile range of tools that Google provides. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see a variety of templates that you can choose from. These templates are great if you have a specific style or theme in mind, but for now, we're going to start with a blank canvas. Select blank presentation to open a new slide deck. Starting blank allows you the greatest amount of freedom to design your presentation as you see fit. With your blank presentation open, let's start adding content. One of the most essential parts of a slide is, of course, the text. Click on where it says click to add title and input your main heading. It's important that this captures the essence of your presentation. Similarly, you can add a subtitle below, which could include your name or the date. Beyond text, you can enhance your slides using images and shapes. Google Slides makes it easy to insert photos, either from your computer or directly from the web. Just go to Insert, then choose either image or shape. These elements add visual interest and can really help in conveying your message more effectively. Next, let's switch up the slide design to make your presentation truly stand out. On the top menu, click on Slide, then Change Background. Here you can select a solid color, a gradient, or even an image for the background. Visual consistency is key, so pick elements that match your overall theme but don't overpower your content. Sometimes less is more. And there you have it. You've created your very own Google Slides presentation. By following these steps, you've prepared a custom, professional-looking slide deck that's sure to impress. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the information you share, but also how it's presented. So take your time to explore Google Slides and all it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.